A box contains 5 green balls and some white balls. If the probability of drawing a white ball is half the probability of drawing a green ball, then find the number of white balls. Quite easy. Here, let the white balls be x. So total balls how much? X plus 5 green balls. So 5 plus x is total balls. Now what do you mean by probability? Required upon total. Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Now what is given? Probability of green ball getting a green ball is what? 5 upon 5 plus x. Required upon total. Required is what? 5 green balls. So total is 5 plus x. Probability of getting a white ball is x upon 5 plus x, right? But what is given? Probability of getting a white ball is half that of the green ball. So x upon 5, the problem should be, if the probability of drawing a green ball is half that of the drawing a white ball, then find the number of white balls. See here, probability of green ball is half that of the white balls. Now what is the probability of green ball? 5 upon 5 plus x. What is the probability of white balls? X upon 5 plus x. This 5 plus x gets cancelled. So 5 equals to x upon 2. 2 take on this side. So it becomes x equals to 10. So number of white balls equals to 10. See here, the problem is easy. Only the point is we